welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing another Boohoo evening dress haul. Now this one, they're slightly different. They're not the beaded dresses, they're kind of the more affordable, just simple but still lovely evening dresses. Now these could double up for prom or for bridesmaids or just any event you might have that you want a floor length maxi dress for. Now I know prom is just around the corner, so if it is prom season for you, I really hope this video is useful, and if you'd like to see any more like it, comment down below the shops you'd like me to review and I'll try and squeeze them in before you need the items for. But that being said, everything will be linked down below in the order that I tried on as usual, and all of these dresses are around £30 or less. So these are super affordable options, but still really lovely pieces that you can dress up for whatever occasion you might have. So I really hope you guys enjoy. So up first, we have this gorgeous teal option. Now this one is only £21, but I did get this in a size 6 because of stock issues. So if you love this one, I would check it out very quickly. But they do it in lots and lots of colours, so there's loads of options. And it's just this mermaid kind of fishtail dress. So you can see that the bottom flares out. Only thing I'm not sure on with this lovely teal one is the detailing here. I'm never a fan of like them sewing cups in like this because there's no structure to the dress. They just sit on top, which can look absolutely fine. For example, the dress I'm wearing literally has stitching as well, and it doesn't really show, but sometimes I'm not a fan of it. So let's just put it on and see what it looks like. The colour of this dress is my new favourite colour. This is just beautiful on, and it is a little bit overly figure hugging. So this one, it's tight everywhere apart from the fishtail at the bottom. Now if you're cool with that, then it's a lovely dress option, but if you wanted something a little bit more like flowy or not so clingy, maybe this isn't the best option for you. But I think it's a really nice dress to show off your shape, and I don't mind the stitched cups. Like, I don't love them, but it doesn't really show, and so I think it is it doesn't ruin the dress for me, which is the main thing. And it does feel quite supportive, so it's not a very thin material, so it's quite nice on the body, I find. And I think even though it is extremely figure hugging, it's also very flattering as well. So I really like this one, and the length of it is lovely. On me it kind of is an inch or two off the ground, so I'm very comfortable in a pair of heels. I don't think I'm gonna like fall over it at all, and I just think the colour of it, I just love it. Like, it's really beautiful. It's just the only thing is there's no ruching. So, you know, around the midsection here, it might be a little bit clingy. So obviously if it's a dinner evening, just keep that in mind. But in terms of an option with a nice bit of shapewear underneath, this is a beautiful dress. Like, the colour of it. I think this is my colour. I think it's because my eyes are like, kind of like a grey blue. And so I think I'm just really feeling the teal. I'm surprised. I wasn't expecting to love this one so much. But yeah, that's this one. But I did just remember, sorry, I did just take it off. It's a size 6, so that's probably why it's a little bit more figure hugging than I was expecting, because a size 8 probably would just give me that little bit more space. So I think this one is true to size, so you can get it in a size smaller. Like a 6 definitely fit me, but I think a size 8 would just stop that clinginess, so maybe stick to your usual size. But I just felt I wanted to try this colour so badly, so I was like, I will squeeze in the 6. Sticking with the blues, this next one is this gorgeous mint one. Now I fell in love with this one, and this one's literally about £35. And I loved the kind of, it's so flowy, it has just like really feminine vibes about it. And I just really liked the colour. Like, if you've got a summer event or a summer wedding or a summer prom, this is just gorgeous for it. And it has got strapping detail at the back here that I think crosses over. But I absolutely love this one. Now I got this one in a size 8. And I'm just going to put it on so we can see what it looks like, but I think this is just going to sit beautifully, and in the right season I think it's just going to look gorgeous on anyone. So I really like this one. Let's see what it looks like. This is what it looks like on, and I do love it, but I'm not 100% sold on the top of it. Like, I think it almost makes the boobs look lower than they are just because of how the straps are done. I think it could be cuter if this was like pinched together maybe. I'm just not sure about this like little V here, and also like these little cap sleeves, like they're a little bit restrictive, but it is cute. Like, it's definitely workable, and then it is stupidly long. Like if you're really, really tall, this is a gorgeous option for you. But for us little petite gals, we might have to be a little bit careful with this one because it will need to be shortened. But the actual dress is beautiful. Like I love the color of it, I love the detailing. I think the fabric is just beautiful. It's like just a really nice weight to the fabric, and I love the color of it. And I think the spaghetti straps and the little frills, it's all really cute. I'm just not sure on the neckline on my physique, but I think it would look gorgeous on many others. But it's beautiful, and I love the shape of skirt. I think it's really, really stunning. So no, this is a lovely option. Just keep in mind it's very long, and obviously this is the style of top. So if you like that, then it's perfect. But the fit of it is a really lovely fit, and it's a very comfortable fit as well. So no, I love this one. I like it from the back. I think the back is beautiful. So yeah, definitely potential in this one. Next we have a very bright one, but I'm so excited to see what this one looks like on, because this one's shocked me. So I was expecting a totally different fabric than what has arrived. I think I thought it was going to be like a satin or just like a more structured fabric. It's literally like gym leggings. It's that kind of really stretchy, slinky fabric, which is actually one of my favorite fabrics to wear. It's so comfortable on the skin. So depending if it's a flattering fit, I really like this one. And it has got a little bit more coverage around the midsection with some ruching. So I think it could be really cute. And it's got this like one shoulder detailing. So maybe dressed up and on the right body, it could be absolutely fabulous. And it does have a killer slit. So if you're like me and you like a leg out when you're, you know, going out, this might be for you. And I just love the color of it. Like, it's so bright. I love wearing colourful things, and if you've got an event in the right season, like, why not go for a bright, bright dress? Like, I love it. Let's try it on. Okay, so the colour of this dress is gorgeous. The fit isn't bad, but there are some big red flags with this one, starting with the slit that I'm holding, because if I don't hold it, it will want to come round my leg, and look how high it is. So if that comes round anymore, I'm in trouble. And then also the top is a little bit loose, and it's got like a flap here. So I'm just gonna tuck that under, but I'm not quite sure what that's meant to be. It's almost like it's missing a skirt underneath the dress. Like, it feels like there's meant to be something here. So if you're in love with this dress, it's not the end of the world. You're just gonna need to stitch up the slit an inch. That's all it needs. So I'm holding it together there, so that's what it is. You just need to do a little bit of stitching and bring it down to there. Then it is a safe dress to wear. But before you do that, like, if you don't do that, it's a little bit risque. But it is beautiful. The colour is lovely. It's so stretchy. Like, it's so comfortable to wear. It's just this slit that is a little bit dangerous even for me, and I'm normally the queen of the killer slit. And it is long, so it's a bit of a trip hazard, but it's kind of too cute to get rid of the length, because it's almost like a train, you know, like, it's just a bit extra, which I like. So because it's got a really like big slit, you don't need to shorten it, because you just have to kick your leg out to ensure you don't fall over. But it is, yeah, I mean, this is definitely a statement. Like, it is one heck of a colour. Like, I'm obsessed with the colour. I think it's beautiful. It just needs a bit of work. Like, this one isn't ready to go straight from buying it. But I see a lot of potential with it. So if you are in love with it, there are ways. But that's this one. So sticking with the crazy colours, I did get one more. Now this one, they describe it as a lime. I would say it's more of a yellow, but it's like a odd yellow. That's how I would describe it. But it's a gorgeous kind of, it can be strapless or it can have straps, so they are removable. So it's like got this like ruched basque sort of thing, and it's like a strapless dress, then with like a mesh skirt that is like high-low, so it's short at the front, long at the back. And I just think it could be a really cute option, you know, so it's still a floor length dress, but it's showing a little bit more leg, and it's like a bit more wearable like after an event. Like, I like dresses that can double up as like summer dresses as well, and I think this one can be dressed up or down, and I just love it. I think it could be really cute. I'm not sure the colour is right for me, but they do it in other colours, and I'm just interested in how it fits. and it does have a little tie waist here, so you can just cinch it in that little bit, which just makes it a bit more adjustable, you know? But let's just put it on and see what it fits like. So this is it on, and I don't hate it, but it's not my favorite fit. The top of it I think would look better just as a strapless because it kind of folds over where the straps are. Now that might mean I need like a slightly smaller size maybe, and then they won't roll. But apart from that, like, it's not a bad fit. I like the skirt underneath the skirt. I think this is beautiful, the kind of high-low effect, and I like the little waist tie here. I'm just not 100% sold on it, and it might be the colour on me, but it's, you know, it's cute. Like, I do think it's cute. I'm just not sure on the top of it. Like, I don't get the same wow factor as some of the others. So you can see like that. But it might look really cute as a kind of strapless one, actually. Yeah, I think strapless could be really cute. And there are other colours in it. So if you're similar to me and you're not sure on this kind of limey yellow, try it in a different colour. It could be really cute. Because I like having the legs out. I think it's a really nice option if you wanted to show off like a really jazzy pair of shoes or something like that with a nice matching bag. I think it's quite a nice style. So I like it. It's growing on me. So the next two dresses I got are in the same colour scheme but slightly different styles. So this one, I think I've tried one on before in a different colour, and it's just such a staple option. It's £18. They do it in loads of colours. It looks amazing on, so if you're, you know, looking for a budget but a gorgeous dress, this one you'll look $1 million in. And it does have a little slit but not too high, so it's still practical. And I just love the kind of neckline. I think dressed up with the right jewellery and even a belt, like, this can look really, really stunning. And this is my favourite colour, so I'm excited to try this one. And then I also got this kind of V-neck wrap one, so I thought this could be quite nice because it does have a tie waist, so you can really cinch that waist in. I liked the long sleeves. Only thing I would say, oh no, it does have a slit. I was going to say I thought it didn't have a slit, and I knew it was like a pencil skirt. So it has a slit, and I think that this is just going to be really easy to wear. The slit is going to be gorgeous, I think. So let's just throw these ones on and see what they look like. I generally just can't believe this is an £18 dress, and it looks like this. I'm just in love with this one. Like, it's so flattering on the chest. Like, it's just beautiful. It's very figure hugging, but it really like clings to the waist and just all the right areas. And then you have a lovely slit down the side. I just think it's beautiful. Like, it's so, you know, classy, sexy. It's just everything you kind of want in an evening dress, and the price is just unbeatable. Like, regardless of all the other dresses, this is such a wearable option and so cheap. Like, £18, and it comes in lots of different colours. Like this in a black, I mean, you literally can't go wrong with that. But they also do all the like nice colours, and this is just one of my favourites, this wine. I absolutely love this one. I have no flaw, and it's got no zips, so you just slip it on and it just literally hugs everywhere. So I rate this one so much. I really recommend it. It's just gorgeous. And this one as well is just perfect. Like, I absolutely love the neckline on this one. I think that's so, it's plunging, but in the most like classy way. Like, it is beautiful, and I love the ruching. I think it's just gorgeous. And the long sleeves with the tie waist, I'm feeling this dress as well. Like, these two burgundy ones are stunning, and they both have a lovely slit. They're not too long, so, you know, just wearing them with a nice like sparkly heel or a black heel would be just gorgeous. But this is just, it's so wearable but so stylish. Like, I absolutely love them. Like, neither of them have any faults. So if you're looking for just a really easy to throw on dress that's gonna look absolutely killer, these are the ones for you. And they come in a variety of colours, so it's literally a win-win. Regardless of your colour preference, you can literally have these dresses. Like, I love them. How beautiful is that with a nice pearl necklace or a bit of diamonds and bling? Yes, I love these. The last dress I got is a black one. Now, I thought I have to throw in a black one because blacks are just, they're the most kind of classic dresses, and I wanted to try this one because it's got an unusual neckline. It's like got a cross sort of over style, so I'm not quite sure how to get this one on. I'll play around with that in a second, but it's just a simple kind of, it's got drama at the top, and then it's just a nice, simple, flowy black skirt, but it does have a big cutout. I need to just put it on to show you guys because it's going to be impossible to show you when everything's blending into itself. So let me just throw this on. I'm not 100% sure on this one, so I need to see a body in it. So I absolutely love this one. It is just such an easy fit, and for the price, I think it looks $1 million. Like, I love the neckline of this. Like, it's so fun with the crisscross. I think it's really like flattering and a little bit sexy with the peephole. And if you don't like that, you can always put a bandeau underneath as well to like fill it up a little bit. But I really, really like it, and I like that it's got that opening at the front. I wasn't sure how it was going to look, but it means you can like show off your shoes and actually like see a bit of leg as well, and it's so easy to walk in, which is nice. And it has no zips or anything. It's just a very easy dress to put on because it's got a little bit of stretch. And so it's just, yeah, it's simple but effective. So I really like this one. I think black is always safe, and I think it's a lovely option for whatever occasion you might have. And it just has a bit more of a jazzy neckline, which I think is quite nice. And you don't have to worry about jewelry because it's too high neck to really wear anything with. You still could, I suppose, but you just need like earrings or bracelets, or absolutely nothing would work as well. So I really like this one. So that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know if there's any other online shops that you'd like to try evening dresses from, and if I can, I will try and make a review for you. But I'll also link down below all my social media if you'd like to follow me on there, along with all the dresses you saw in today's video. So if you'd like to get any of those, you can. But thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.